I'm making spicy steamed aubergine, eggplant, or also known as brinjal. I'm only using 6.
All for me.
Sure.
It looks simple now, but it becomes magical when you eat it.
So if you like raw garlic, just put it in a bowl with the scallion and all the other ingredients with the steamed aubergine, and then just mix it and voila, it's done. If you don't like fish sauce, just use extra salty soy sauce.
Oh, that is interesting. What is it?
I'm steaming them to make it easy, so put cabbage, parchment paper, anything so it doesn't stick.
And that's a steaming bamboo basket?
Yes, you could use any kind of steaming method that you know.
I like
Well, you've eaten it so
bamboo.
many times.
No, I like the name bamboo basket for steaming.
Steam this for about 5 to 7 minutes. The water is boiling, and here comes the bamboo basket for steaming. So it takes about 5 to 7 minutes, depending on the steamer. We don't like raw garlic. I'm going to be cooking the garlic and adding the rest of the ingredients, so it doesn't take long. It's my trick. I do it on the stovetop. It's faster, so watch it.
So for those who don't like raw garlic, Goddess is going to cook the ingredients together. And the garlic will not taste too garlicky in the recipe. If you like garlicky stuff, well, use it raw. But then it stays with you for days.
Yes. Hot, 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 hot. Mix it well, and voila, it's done. Very quick. Turn off the fire. Coriander is purely optional. This smells so good. It's so yummy.
Having eggplants today. This is so good. Eggplants take the flavor of the other ingredients, and nothing's overwhelming in here. All balances out really nicely. I think Tempeh would really like this. Great meal on its own. If you love meat, you're gonna love this. It's a really great way to eat less meat and more vegetables.
Go get your tickets and let's get this party started!